Hey guys, Hopper Creeper 9 here, and today Thresh is recording. See, what we have here is a baby thing. You know,
baby
things that you go down.
Hang on. Yeah, you use that thing down there.
And we also have a scooter and a skateboard. So let's do this. Okay, Thresh is going first. Superman! No, wait, hold on, let me get you a view. Do, do, do. Hi! He's Batman.
We got another Superman here. What's your name, Superman?
Hobbit Creeper 9.
Oh, I thought your name was Superman.
Nope! Okay. Let's do this, my turn.
Okay, let's do this, boys. Wait, oh crap!
You said wait.
I fell. Sorry,
Trust me,
people.
I did wait.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. No holding back now! That is a sad attempt at sad failure. Oh man, what do you think about this?
I think it's not safe and you shouldn't do this at home.
That's why I'm doing it.
Hi. I'm going first this time.
It's Superman.
We made a ramp on this one.
Yeah, oh yeah, I forgot to show you that. Pogo ramp. That's the name.
You'll plenty hop off of it.
That's
It'll probably fall.
That's the name of it, Pogo ramp. That's what this video's titled.
Yeah.
Okay? 3, 2, 1. Go. 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 And he's already a failure. And now, as we all saw, you should do this at home because it's not that bad. But it is bad enough that you shouldn't pogo stick and fail 1,000 times like me. If you haven't seen my videos, you should go check them out. And yeah, he is crawling toward me with a limp and acting like he's really hurt.
They have rocks on this hill.
Rocks?
Yeah, there's rocks because the little kids probably brought rocks over.
I wasn't making a documentary.
Yeah, I saw you. Let's do this. Thresh's turn. I'm serious. Watch out for the rocks, but you don't go that fast. So it goes front wheel down, and then you just start rolling.
Oh. Woo. Looks like you're playing a game there, and your finger's in the way.
No, it's not.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Really?
Now it is.
Oh gosh. This is gonna make a terrible video.
Okay, Thresh's turn. Ready?
You already said that. Oh! Oh, my toe still hurts.
That was a delayed response. Thresh riding a skateboard down and over. Come on. Hop on. Or else I'll hop on it. First person.
Hop on it! Hop on it!
Ouch.
Meow. And we ran out of sword once again.
Yeah, I did it, guys. Trust me, and it hurt.
Oh yeah, his video, skateboarding down a ramp video got deleted.
Yeah, it got deleted somehow, but I'm sorry.
Magic! It got corrupted.
But the thing is
you know,
we gotta go because there's no storage on this thing.
Whenever.
So please subscribe to both of us.
Yes, subscribe
and
to
we
both
will
of us.
see you next time. But I'm so
Wait,
sorry.
wait. When YouTubers say corrupted, they mean they accidentally deleted it and don't feel like recording it back. Well, you just shut up.
I'm so sorry.